Thereafter, Senator Judge Marcos. You may proceed, ma'am.
Salamat po, Mr. Presiding Officer. I strenuously vote no to the motion. The wording of the approved motion introduces unnecessary ambiguity to the already politically charged proceedings. Ang return po ay pagsauli o pagbalik. Sa usapin ng judiciary, nire-remand ang kaso pabalik sa lower court for further proceedings. Kaya po, I cannot accept this kind of wording. It is dangerous and disingenuous, particularly when the rules of court have suppletory application. The same purpose could have been achieved by merely asking the House prosecutors to file a compliance and clarify certain issues. Wala pong remand o return sa konstitusyon. Ang obligasyon natin, try and decide. Isa po itong kabalintunaan, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Noted and entered into the record, Senator Judge Marcos. You may proceed, ma'am.
Yes, maraming salamat sa ating presiding officer. Sang-ayon po ako sa motion ni Senator Judge De La Rosa at Senator Judge Cayetano, basta't maliwanag na ititigil ang proseso hanggat di natutupad ang dalawang kondisyon na sinaad ng ating amendment. Ang sabi, accountability? Accountability ba talaga? May dalawang SKL ako dyan. Una, SKL, share ko lang. Share ko lang na si VP Inday Sara ay sinampahan ng kaso sa Komisyon ng Audit, ang COA, sinampahan ng kaso sa Supreme Court, sinampahan ng kaso sa iba't iba pang korte, sinampahan ng kaso ng Department of Justice, pati na rin ng PNP, at sinampahan ng kaso ng disbarment. At kanina lamang, may panibagong isasampang 612 million na namang confidential fund ng OVP at ng Department of Education. Walang tigil na kaso. Kung accountability ang tunay na gusto ng mga birit ng birit, bakit hindi paghusayan ng mga kaso para panagutin si VP Inday sa mga yan? May multa yan, may kulong, if ever mapatunayan. Aba, damang-dama ang accountability kapag ganyan. Itong impeachment na inipit, inupuan, nilimliman, minadali, ibinalibag sa Senado sa dulo ng sesyon. Ito ay ang pinakamaliit na iskinita ng accountability na yan. Itong ipinipilit na impeachment, aminin man nila o hindi, ay para lamang manira ng imahen ng isang publiko at walang uuwian, kundi pag-disqualify kay VP Inday Sara para sa eleksyon ng 2028. Yun lamang ito. Pinahihirapan pa natin ang ating mga sarili. Alam naman nating lahat, tayo at ang sambayanan, hindi accountability ito. Tungkol ito sa pagpigil kay VP Inday Sara para sa 2028. Huwag na tayo mag-production number. Yan ang gustong puntiryahin. Kaya ang pangalawa kong SKL, ikalawa SKL, saan ka lulugar? Kapag umuo ka sa pagpatuloy ng impeachment, magpadala ka sa mga ambisyoso ng 2028. Kapag pinadismiss o pinaremand mo naman, sasabihan kang pinoprotektahan mo si Inday. SKL, saan ka lulugar? Ako sa tama. Magpakatotoo tayo, mga kapatid na hukom at senador. Malayo pa ang 2028. Maraming gutom at naghihintay ng serbisyo mula sa Senado. Hindi tanga ang Pilipino. Alam natin ang motibo at tunay na pakay ng mga lulong sa ambisyon at kapangyarihan. Maraming salamat po.
Noted and entered into the records. Chair would like to warn the people in the gallery to kindly refrain from making statements while the court is in session. Senator Judge Gatchalian is recognized.
Maraming salamat. Thank you very much, Mr. Presiding Officer. Yung boto ko po, wala pong kinalaman kung ang articles of impeachment ay constitutionally infirm or constitutionally superior or constitutionally sound. Ang akin lang pong boto ay may kaugnayan sa transparency, kung saan sana sa open trial dito natin pinag-usapan itong issue na ito para mabigyan natin ng oportunidad ang prosecution as well as the defense, kasi ako naniniwala na gagamitin rin to ng defense sa kanilang proceedings. At dito po sa open trial or sa trial proper, magkakaroon na ho tayo ng oportunidad rin, tayo mismo, mga senator judges, na tanungin, busisiin in dokumento, at kung mahina ang depensa ng prosecution o mahina ang argumento ng prosecution team, pwede pa nating outright i-dismiss doon po sa open trial or sa trial proper. Sa ganitong paraan, magiging transparent at magkakaroon ng fairness at due process. So mga kasama, sa ating Mr. Presiding Officer, ang aking pananaw dito ay premature ang nangyari. Pero rinirespeto ho natin ang desisyon at pagboto ng mayorya dahil ito po ang kanilang nakikitang daan. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Senator Judge Gatchalian. Senator Judge Pimentel. You may proceed, sir.
Just a very brief explanation of vote, Mr. President. So, I voted no to the motion because it clearly contains dangerous language susceptible to a lot of interpretations, Mr. President. Kita naman natin sa explanation of vote ng ating mga kasama, suspend lang palang gusto, return ang ginamit. Return na nga ang ginamit, remand ang explanation. So, ganun kadelikado po yung lingwahe na ginamit natin. Tapos yung gusto natin ma-achieve, dali lang yun. That's achievable by an advisory as I suggested earlier, Mr. President. Well, at any rate, Mr. President, we are communicating, if you will, the motion communicates with a body which is not yet in existence actually. Nasa 19th Congress pa tayo, but we want to already talk to or communicate with the 20th Congress. But as someone who did not vote for the motion, ang konsuelo ko lang siguro dun, yung number 2 actually recognizes cross-Congress transfer of the impeachment case from the 19th to the 20th Congress. That is now the clear and unmistakable interpretation of number 2. So thank you, Mr. President. Thank you.
Duly noted and entered into the records. Senator Judge Poe, you may proceed, ma'am.
While I voted no to the proposal of Senator Bato de la Rosa as amended by Senator Cayetano, for it to be remanded as opposed to dismiss the, tama ba yun? For it to be returned as opposed to being dismissed, the impeachment case, I would like to make it clear that I respect the decision of the majority and also that ang paglilitis ay hindi hatol ng pagkakasala. At gaya nga ng sinabi ni Senator Win Gatchalian, para sa akin, maganda kasi pagka naririnig mo talaga kung ano ang mga argumento ng prosecution. Imbis na iba kasi pag dokumento lang ang isusumite at babasahin. Ngayon, noon ko pa sinasabi na naniniwala ako na dapat tuloy-tuloy talaga ang paghatol nito at hindi lamang matatapos dito sa Kongreso na to. Pero nakakalito rin yung mga ibang posisyon na nagsasabi we cannot compel the next Congress to act on our motion or unleft what do you call this, or unfinished business or work. Kaya nga, kahit na meron tayong pinagbotohan na ganyan, there is no guarantee I don't think it's binding to say that the 20th Congress will take this up. Yun lang yung para sa akin din. At saka, ang sinasabi nga, di ba, the Constitution says that once a complaint is filed, kinakailangan forthwith nga or magkakaroon ng trial para dito. So ang iniisip ko lang, 19th Congress and what our mandate is to actually hold a trial. Ngayon, sinasabi ng ating officer or ano nga ta? Presiding officer, sinasabi ng ating presiding officer na tuloy-tuloy pa naman ang summons nito. Magpapadala ng summons. So siguro ang tanong ko para malinawan, magpapadala tayo, unang-una, return to the House. Kung sumagot sila bukas, na may sagot na sila, tapos pinadala natin yung summons, after 10 days, may dapat sila sumagot, so napadala dito sa atin. Tapos sabihin ng prosecution, ng House, we don't need 5 days to prepare. We're already ready. Kunyari, after 10 days. So after 10 days from whenever, so that's still before still before June 30. Will we proceed with this trial, Mr. Presiding Officer?
The chair reserves the right later on to also explain his vote. The lady is in the process of explaining her vote, and she may proceed.
Okay. So I guess this is explanation of vote cannot be a hybrid of a question as well. But again, I will put forth that question because that's also one of the reasons why I couldn't really agree with the decision to return it to the House, because these are all the other questions that I feel were not addressed by the resolution that was just passed. So that's all, Mr. Presiding Officer. Thank you for the
Senator
opportunity.
Judge can make that inquiry and maybe responded to by the presiding officer or any member after we finish.